Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. My today's recipe is instant Rawa Dhokla, and this video I dedicate to that person who has so lovingly sent me a message asking for this recipe. But Rawa definitely is not a diabetic friendly food, and but what I have done is it won't be fair on my part if I don't make it into a diabetic recipe. So what I have done is, in the beginning of the video I have given you an option wherein you can add 50% of besan in this recipe and this becomes a diabetic food. So without wasting much time, we'll get into the kitchen and I'll teach you how to make this. It's very simple. Thank you so very much. So here comes Rawa Dhokla. These are the instant Rawa Dhokla. So if you have some guests at home and you don't know what to serve them, this is the recipe for you. And it has come out very spongy. You can see this. They're very soft and very tasty. So do try it out. I'll come again next week with one more new healthy recipe. Thank you so very much.